Hello everyone, I'm Pratibha, Assistant Professor of Sociology from Government First Grade College, Srinagar of Mysore. Population studies in India is one of the field pillars which finally allows students belonging to the University of Mysore to study. Today we'll be discussing about the relevance of population studies. Objectives of the study are to make students understand the relevance of population studies and to develop keen interest among the students towards the subject. The session outcome will be students will be able to understand the relevance of population studies and it develops interest among the students towards population studies. The contents of the slides are introduction, relevance of population studies, conclusion, references made, and 5 multiple choice questions. Introduction. The term demography was first used by Achal Gulab in 1885 in his book Relevance of Human Statistics on Comparative Demography. Demography is derived from Greek and Latin words demos and graphen. Demos means people and graphen means describe. Thus, demography is the science of describing people or it is the scientific study of population. The term demography and population studies are interchangeable words. According to P. Lorimer, population studies is describing the number of people living in a society through scientific study. According to Relevance, the science that studies the main factors such as birth, mortality, marriage, and migration and find out the measures to control these scientifically is known as population studies. It analyzes the changes that occur in size, growth, distribution, birth rate, death rate, migration, marriage, and also other factors. By going through population studies, we can know IMR rate, there is infant mortality rate, MMR rate, maternal mortality rate, about migration, why people migrate, who migrate more in number, it studies facts both qualitatively as well as quantitatively. Thus, population studies is the scientific study of human population. Relevance of population studies. Scientific study. Population studies provides objective information which is collected through census, civil registration system, sample survey, and also by adopting other scientific methods. You all know that census is conducted once in 10 years, and birth, marriage, and death have to be registered. Availability of statistical details. It provides statistical details about birth rate, death rate, migration, and what occupations people are engaged in, about marriage, to what all age group people belong to which religion people belong to, number of literate, illiterate, sex ratio, that means number of females per thousand males. Population and economy. Population studies helps to know the growth rate of the economy, whether it is keeping pace with that of the growth rate of the population or not. So this is useful for the government to take appropriate measures to control the growth of population and to accelerate the development of the economy with the facility mechanisms. Relevance of population studies in political field. Political leaders, authorities, they can know the number of voters, to which age they belong to, and accordingly they can make the arrangements to conduct the elections. It is useful for planners as well, for the administrators, for the economists, for the sociologists as well. They can make necessary plans for the development of the nation, and administrators can plan their administration accordingly. Then population studies and sociological importance. It is useful for the development of society. The problems which are persisting in the society can be understood and effectively it can be solved. So it is useful for India as well to estimate the population in future, to control the rapid growth of population as well. We can conclude by saying that population studies has greater relevance as the knowledge and information processed through this is useful in preventing the rapid growth of population as well as to effectively plan for the nation's development. These are the references made. You can go through these books. You can also browse through the net for more information. Now, multiple choice questions. You must have listened to the lecture. Now I want you to answer these multiple choice questions. Who introduced the term demography for the first time? Achal Gulab. It is Achal Gulab. In which year the term demography was first used? 1885. Demos means people. Population studies is the scientific study of human population. And the term graphene is derived from which word? It's Latin. So these are the answers for the multiple choice questions. Thank you.